We're now into March, spring is mostly here, and as warmer temperatures continue to pile up, you're going to see more and more activity at the construction site of the new Rocheport Bridge. As we mentioned last month, there will be rolling traffic stops happening over the next several weeks to accommodate blasting in the project area. Deputy Project Director Derek Lepper says it will require some short-term traffic impacts, but won't pose any danger to motorists.
Blasting is taking place on our project Monday through Friday between the hours of 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. During this time, we'll be utilizing rolling roadblocks, which you can expect about a 15-minute delay coming through the project. This will ensure our contractor has enough time to make sure that any inherent rock that gets on the road is cleaned up before we allow traffic back through to travel safely.
So be sure you add some extra time if you're traveling through the project area. We'll also be posting closure information on the Traveler Information Map, MoDOT social media accounts, and alerting drivers through message boards on I-70. Another great way to get updates on this project will be starting in April with our Saturday Superintendent Talks.
Starting Saturday, April 16th, we will begin our Saturday Superintendent Talks with our contractor at 9 a.m. at the conservation area, the newly built boat ramp. Just to the west of the project. We'll have our contractor here to answer any questions that anyone might have. Everyone is welcome. Walk through our steps of driving piling and doing drilled shafts, all of our earthwork, and go through the hows and whys of what's going on the project.
Details on how to access the location of the Saturday Superintendent Talks will be available on social media and the project website, modot.org/Rocheport Bridge. These talks are all weather permitting and are planned to be about an hour long. Another big goal for this project is to connect to local students at schools, universities, and colleges to talk about science, technology, engineering, and math.
On this project, our contractor will be reaching out to local schools to help the kids learn about our engineering and construction. We're also working with the Mizzou capstone class with our project, and our experts in the area are helping the kids learn not only how to analyze, but also do research on projects so that they can get real-world experience going in school.
Earlier this month, we were able to connect with students from the University of Missouri Engineering Capstone class. We welcomed them to the site for a tour. The students are currently working in teams to prepare their own design-build bridge proposals that are going to be presented to our project team. There are 2 teams working on bridge design. 3 other teams are working on transportation safety, geotech, and environmental and hydraulics. Thanks for watching this edition of Road to Rocheport. Be sure to hit the like button if you're as excited as we are about progress on the new bridge. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel and follow us on social media for more updates. And you can always find live cameras, project details, and more information at modot.org/Rocheport Bridge. And as always, be safe, be sure everyone is buckled up, and that your phone is put away while you're driving. We'll see you next time.